Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Pinterest app. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here and you just go down, you click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here, and this is window here like you say. We'll just keep going and we click here on Pinterest, then you come to next window here like you say, or app info Pinterest, then you click here on for stop and you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you will click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about our Pinterest settings. So see you in next video.